Hello everyone, welcome back to Kredict. This is day 35 of our Learn Blockchain Development Challenge series, in which we are learning how to develop smart contracts, how to develop decentralized applications, and all of the stuff we are required to have create a decentralized application. So we are long in this video. In this series, we have learned a lot, and today is day 35th of this series. So if you remember, in previous video we have created, or we are going to create our own swap, and in last video we have created the front end for it using HTML and CSS. So let's start adding much more functionality to our dapp. So if you remember, we have a folder here on our desktop says 45 days, and inside this we have this folder named swap dapp, and our source code is located in this folder. So I've already opened this in my VS Studio Code. You can open in the whatever ID you like. So let's quickly open up our ID and see what's are going on. So here is my VS Studio Code, and I've already started my live server. You can see here on port number 5500, and here is our application which we have developed so far. And you can see this is a decent UI and can work around for us, but we have to optimize it a little bit, or you can say just add some functionalities and all of stuff. First of all, I'm going to make it a little more responsive, because for now this is only for desktop, and you can see for some particular side it's not a big problem, but we have just tweak a little about padding, margin and width of something to make it fully responsive. You can see for now the this is collided together and the gap is not enough for them. So let's quickly fix this. I'm going to put it on responsive and check the size. So I think until 500 pixel there is no problem. We have to reduce the size of things after 500 pixel. So just go to your folder, I mean VS Code, open the style.css. I'm like to write all the media queries at below of the code. So right here media, max width. What would be the max width? 500 pixel. I think I have to increase the font size that you all can see clearly. Okay, so what to do? At max with 500 pixel, I want to reduce the size of this header and some padding for our nav bar. So what we can say? We can do like nav header, font size just 22 pixel. It's increased. Why? I don't know. There's something wrong with this styling parts. 18 pixel. It's still bigger. I think 15 pixel would be fine. I'm not sure why the exact size is not applying here. Something is mashing around, because the 15 pixel is actually very small amount and this text goes like very tiny, but this is still like 22 pixel. So I'm not sure what's going wrong. Okay, so I think the title size is good now. Let's reduce the padding for a navbar, which is navbar, and padding I'm going to provide 10 pixel by 14 pixel. Let's see. Okay, so it's slightly better. Just reduce the size of our connect wallet button. So it says connect wallet button. Font size just 15 pixel. It's still bigger, 14 pixel. The CSS is applying or not, I'm not sure. Just reduce by 1 pixel. 499, press enter. And yeah, it's smaller. Let's check for the... Okay, now this is fine. So what we have to do next, we have to just reduce the size of this box. So at the same at 500 pixel, I'm going to, I think we have named it swap box, and just provide the width of what we can say 300 pixel to make it look more smaller on, yeah, 300. I think we can go for 330. Yes, it is fine. Just reduce the font size for this input box so it makes sense. Okay, so just here I think what we have named it, I'm not sure. Okay, swap input, font size 14 pixel. Okay, So now everything is fine. We can check on different phones. Here we go, iPhone 14 Pro, and we can also check different devices like iPad Pro. It's very tiny, but yeah, it good. Okay, so our responsive part is done, and our website is or web app is looking fantastic. Now what we have to do, we have to enable our connect wallet button. First task we are going to do, to enable our connect wallet button, that user can come and click on this button and connect their MetaMask or Trust wallet, all those type of wallet which are based on Windows.ethereum instance. I've talked about this Windows.ethereum instance in our earlier videos. If you are coming through that, you will get the point. Okay, and just for now I'm going to hide this status, because this will shown only when the something goes on. Okay, so just for now I'm going to say is display none through this status, and you can see our status is gone, and now our swap box is much more smaller than before. Okay, so I think now we have to start working on our connect wallet button. For this we need some JavaScript code. So for now I'm going to close this style.css and quickly create a JavaScript file. Here I'm going to name it as script.js. You can name whatever you want, and just quickly integrate this to our index file. Go down here, before body tag ends, write script, or you can say script. You can use the emit abbreviation here. I'm not sure, something was wrong. Script, yeah, src. Press enter and pass the file here, which is script.js. Save, go to here, just for checking just write console.log, working, save the file, and here open the console by inspecting and click on console, and you can see the text is written here, which means our JavaScript file is integrated very well and it is working fine. Okay, so just close this, or you can leave this because maybe some JavaScript error happens, and we can see here. Okay, so I'm going to write our first JavaScript code for this application, which is connecting our wallet. So what actually we are going to do, when someone clicks on this button, we have to ask it for MetaMask permission and connect through it. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to pass an ID to our button by which we can listen to its event like click or anything else. So I'm going to pass ID here, connect wallet. Make sense? Just save the file, go to script.js. Now we have to write an event listener. Just document.get element by ID, and we want to listen click events on the connect wallet. Okay, so just write add event listener, type here click, and when the button is clicked we have to run a asynchronous function, because we have to wait for user to allow wallet connection. Okay, so here we are going to write our code. You can see my AI assistant is suggesting me all of that, but we are going to write in a different manner. So if type of window dot ethereum, I think ethereum, and we have already done this in our previous application which we have built, which is a token sender, ethereum sender, and balance fetcher kind of application. You can name whatever you want. We have done this thing in that app also, so you may find it more comfortable to write it by your own, and I ask you to write it by your own if you have learned something from that particular app. And if not, just don't worry, just follow along with me. You will learn throughout the practice of this series. So we are checking for if window.ethereum instance is available or not. So if not equal to undefined, then we have to connect our wallet, else we can simply write it's else. You can alert please install MetaMask, or you can simply say wallet is not installed. Okay, just simply alert this message, and if the wallet instance is available, just try to connect it by using a try catch block. Okay, in the catch we have to just print the error, so I'm going to take the position argument, which is error, and alert we can also alert, or you can just I think that console logging is good for it, so just console.log. Okay, so this makes sense. Now the most interesting part, the connecting the wallet. Okay, So just come inside this try block and write some interesting code. So we are going to await for wallet request. So account request actually. So we have to write await window, not abort, it's ethereum dot request, request. Okay. And what we are going to request for, we are going to request for all the accounts available in our wallet. So we have to write here something like that. You can say method, and here you have to write eth request accounts. Okay, make sure to write this as it is because this is a predefined value, so you have to write exactly like that. Put the semicolon. Now we have to create a web3 instance. But what a web3 instance, and we need to have an instance from somewhere. And if you remember, we are using a library called web3.js, so we have to use that library here also, and we are going to use it over the CDN using min.js. So let's go to your browser and search for web3 CDN. Okay, you can choose whatever one you want, but I'm going to use this JS deliver. Just open this up, and here just click on copy and copy HTML. Okay, come back to our application, go to our index file and paste the copied HTML in the header. So now we have integrated the web3 to our application. Just save this file, come back to our script.js, and now we can create the instance of our web3. So let's write web3 equal to new web3. Okay, just open the braces and just pass the instance of window in ethereum, which is window dot ethereum. Okay, so we have created the instance, and now we are going to create a window level object for it. So just simply write window dot web3 equal to our web3. Okay, so make sense? I hope you know JavaScript, so this will make sense to you. Now we have to fetch the account, so we can say accounts. Make sure to write s there because this is a array and it contains all the accounts available in the wallet. web3.e, or we can say the all the wallets that are connected to our application. Not exactly all the wallets, but all those wallets which are connected to our application. So eth, you can say get accounts with double C, not triple C. This will return all the accounts available in the wallet. Const account, we will fetch the first account using the index of 0. This will return us the account of first which is connected. We can also fetch balance and all those stuff here, but for now I'm going to just display the mark here. Okay, so just for confirmation, just for now just simply console log account, that we can say that wallet is connected or not. Okay, just come back to our application, wait for it, click on connect wallet, and you can see our MetaMask is popped up, and we have to select here our wallet which we want to connect. So just wait for it. Okay, so here enter your password. I think something is not good. What is the case? Just open the MetaMask. So just again click on connect wallet. Okay, what's going on? I'm not sure. Just simply clear the cache. If cache is from our previous application or something, just delete, done, and reload. Okay, just click on connect wallet. I got the point. We have just refreshing the page, that's why it's not working, because we have a anchor tag here. Just remove this href. Okay, save the file. Now try. Just click on connect wallet, and you can see that it is here because we have already connected to this port number earlier, so that's why it's automatically connected. Else it will ask you for MetaMask to which wallet do you want to connect, and you can check this by just disconnect it first. I'm going to disconnect this account. and also the second account. Okay, but for now we got the point that our wallet connection is working perfectly. So now we just have to update the address here. And how we can do that? Let's come up with me. So when we get the account, we have to do something. We have to pass the document dot get element by id, which is our connect wallet, and change the inner HTML, or you can say inner text, to the address which is connected. Okay, by this the user came to know that wallet is connected successfully. Okay, just save the file, come here, click on connect wallet, the MetaMask is here. Okay, so now here we have to select the wallet, or we can say account, which we want to connect. Just click on next, confirm, wait for it, and you can see the wallet is connected successfully, and this is our huge address. But this is not good to display the whole address here, because this makes the button lot more bigger, and this is not good for as a privacy or security concerns also. So we are going to truncate this address into a smaller part, and we have done this in our previous application also. So we are going to create a function here for doing this. Just quickly write here const truncate address, add RESS, just pass the address here, just write the quick function, and it will return the, you can see this code exactly we have written in previous video, but instead of 4 I'm going to pass 5. Okay, so our function is completed. Now what we have to do, we have to pass the function call here with the address. Now save everything, come back here, and you can see when I click on connect wallet, something goes wrong. Address is not defined. Acha, address is not defined. Just pass here account. Okay, so just reload, click on connect wallet, and you can see here is our address, which is much more smaller and much more decent than before. So congratulations, we have enabled our connect wallet button, and this is all for this part. We will implement our main logic of balance fetching and all the stuff in upcoming videos, but this is all for now, because little steps makes much more bigger impact. So this is all for now. I hope you got all the point, and you can see this code is very small, and we have also did this thing in previous lesson. That's why I'm not keep repeating all those explanation part, but you got the point. Okay, so this is all for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.